All right, I've got to psych. I'm going to get psyched for my round, okay?
Okay.
This is not getting me psyched.
Okay, let's go.
For the main course today, we have the RS3M V5 with a lube of FC Rush. And for second course, if required, I have my YS3M with a lube of DM. What is it? DM. Something. Error. Something 37. Make sure I put the right one in.
Please proceed to the gate 890.
Oh, that was a pretty good time for me.
Yes?
Yeah, it's a new cube, so.
Nice.
It's the hardest PLL and the G perm at the end.
Sub 25 coming.
Yeah, I'll be stoked if I get in the second round.
Alright, you ready?
Ready.
8 seconds.
No, I'm not going to do an effort, but balls that up badly.
A little later.
Glad I practiced. That could be my fastest time. I think it's a PR. I forgot to check. Made a mistake. Oh, you could have one bad one. Ready. Nice.
Nice.
I'm glad I practiced. Thank you. Yeah, it's awesome. Yay!
One very long digestive tract later.
Ready?
Ready. Yes.
Mess up the G perm.
Yeah. Yeah.
G perm's so harsh, I swear.
Yeah, ready.
Just take your inspection time as slow as you can.
Nice.
But never take it at the end afterwards. Well,
my competition PR. Yeah, I only got that 2 weeks ago.
Oh, so it's a new one.
Yeah, this is my other main.
I think some, like this one could be better than this one, like GAN.
But this is
GAN.
the YS3M,
Wow.
and that's the RS3M V5.
Yeah, V5.
Just to confuse you. So that's the G perm, mate. So the bar's there and it's what I
yeah,
think I
that
got.
Jeep is so crazy.
And he gets it right. Please don't tell me what it is while I'm doing it.
Ooh, that's a great one.
PLL skit. Finally, in a PLL skit.
Well, that's so lucky.
So we're today at Knox again. This is the third time we've been here. Our first video was here in March of 2022, and then we were here again the beginning of this year in 2023, and now this is the last comp for Sydney for 2023. It's over 2 days. There are about 350 people, and just by virtue of having such a large cohort, I managed to get through to round 2 for 3x3 and maybe 2x2. We're still checking on the result. And how did you go?
For what?
3x3.
First scramble, bad. Next scramble, bad. Next scrambles, bad.
He got a PLL skip in his 3x3, and because he's got the Waylong V9, he also got a corner twist at the same time that he had to correct at the end. I also got a PLL skip in my round 2 sols, which I was pretty happy about. Tomorrow, I will be back for Pyraminx in the morning and possibly 2x2 round 2. I'm not quite sure yet how my averages went for it, but I broke my PR single for 2x2 and single for 3x3, which I'm pretty happy about. So yeah, for me it's been a pretty good day, and for you it's been a
Weird day.
weird day. And that's the end of the day for us. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
The next day.
Pyraminx. Ready. Yes. Because I don't practice. Ready. I'll never be ready for this, but wow. Crazy good scramble. That was a really easy scramble. Like, none of the tips were done and it was in blocks already. That was insane. It's like,
PR.
no, my PR's like 12. I'm never going to get PR again unless I actually practice. Wow. I was tempted to practice again with these times. +5, yeah. It's a Pyraminx, it's +3. Yes.
That could be a really good average.
Yeah, I'm surprisingly happy with that.
I think the top
Pyraminx.
120 minutes.
Tick.
Right.
Oh yeah, I'd like that back.
Approximately 10 hours later.
2x2, round 2. Ready. Relax. I have to relax. Always done consistently bad. Actually, I mean, no, I'm pretty happy with those times. Oh yeah, Timon's going to the Campbelltown Comp.
Oh, he is?
Yeah. Should have been faster. That was a really nice scramble. Ready. Ooh. Ooh. What is going on with this? What? What?
8 seconds.
been like a 4-turn solve if I'd known what I was doing. Thank you. And thank you.
Epilogue.
That's the end of day 2 for me at the Sydney Summer 2023 using the new RS3M V5 video linked here or here somewhere, comparing that to the YS3M and some other cubes. I think it's a really, really good cube. It's a nice blend of speed and just cubiness, I guess. A nice blend of speed and cubiness. Really happy with my results. I broke a PR single and average for 3x3, single or average for 2x2, and for Pyraminx as well. Considering I don't practice Pyraminx very much anymore, I'm really happy. And I almost made it through to round 2 for Pyraminx. Made it through to round 2 for 3x3 and 2x2, which is why I'm back here today. So you'll be able to see all the results through the video. The next competition will be Campbelltown, where Timon Kowalski and Chris Mills will both be at. So until then, YouTube is going to suggest a video for you to watch here. And if you want to subscribe and you've been watching this far and you're not subscribed, you can do that here. Tomorrow,
Replay. It's for the bloopers. Awkward filming.
crazy days. I don't care about 2x2 very much.